Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to protect your privacy, unblock geo-restricted content, or just make your Firestick more secure, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to install Windscribe VPN on your Firestick step by step. Plus I'll break down exactly what Windscribe offers in their free plan and why it might be the best free VPN out there right now. Windscribe is one of a few VPNs that offer a generous free tier, which includes 10 gig of data per month, just sign up with an email address and verify it, access to 10 plus server locations, including US, UK, Canada, France, Germany and more, no speed throttling, so you get full speed depending on server load, strong encryption and privacy, AES 256 encryption, kill switch, and strict no logs policy. And finally, unlimited connections. Unlike many VPNs, even the free version allows you to connect as many devices as you want. So before you can begin the install, you will need to sign up on their website for a free account. If you watch this below step-by-step guide just to sign up and get access to this excellent VPN offer. So from search engine, just enter in Windscribe and click on sign up and enter in your email address and password to set up your account. I will just log in as mine has been set up already. Once logged in, you can see I have the 10 gig monthly limit as I have verified my email. Is the packages they currently have on offer at this time. If we go back, you can get access to an additional 5 gig of data if you submit a tweet. So from the home screen, we will move to find and drop down to search and enter Windscribe until we see it in the list. Okay, Windscribe VPN. Okay, and then just click to begin the download. And just as mentioned, log in with your username and password. And there you go. You have access to all these server locations. Okay, so we can access this one, Los Angeles, okay, and that's it. We are connected to an LA server. So if you found that helpful, just give it a like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.